Yo, what's good? This is June Jones. You know what I'm saying? I'm out on location. I'm doing a Mastercraft, as you can see. I was on my journey, man. You know what I'm saying? In the middle of nowhere. The boat kind of been sitting. I done been to this location on numerous times doing boats. Kind of far out, about 3 hours out. Journeyman, picking up a back end, of course. But you kind of see the nature of it. I wanted to let y'all know, like, even with boats, when it comes to the 722 mix, you can make it real light. It don't have to be that strong, because if the situation ain't that bad, you know what I mean, but you still want to have a good sheen and a good mix going, but still be able to clean, and still get the results that you need, you can mix it light, but like when it comes to boats, I always think about protection, when it comes to that leather though. I always think of a good conditioner, think on that level. And as you see, all boats, you got to pressure wash all of them. Soon as that's the first step, pressure washing. Don't just make sure you don't get the knobs and all the electrical stuff too wet. But most boats can get wet. I mean, they're in the water. You know what I mean? Like, you can really, just be careful on the pressure that you're using as well. You don't want to damage anything, but like pressure wash it all out, and and just bust down and go from there. No steam on there. I don't want to change the color. Get a brush and scrub it. And then vacuum it out. Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So I'm on my journey, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm very far away. You know what I'm saying? I love that journey, man. Ain't nothing like being in the middle of nowhere, doing what you love. You know what I'm saying? And picking up that back end, because that's what we do, especially on our journey, man. You know what I mean? So I'm out here, and I'm doing a boat. You know what I'm saying? I was really doing the interior. I thought I was gonna do the whole thing, but really I'm doing the interior, and probably my third time coming out this way. You know what I'm saying? But just different varieties of boats and stuff. So I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? And I already started on the bus down. As y'all see how dusty and dirty it was. It's been sitting. So I'm doing the interior. You know what I'm saying? So you can get it ready for boat season. Y'all know it's pretty much winter time down our area, you know what I'm saying? So it's not really that cold today, but it's a little cold, you know what I'm saying? It's a little cold, we out here. But when it comes to boats, this is an NXT, you know what I mean? When it comes to boats, I always start from the nose and work your way back. This particular situation I came through, as y'all seen, with the pressure washer. All boats, most boats, when you're dealing with interiors and stuff, you want to come back through with the pressure washer, and I already came normally with the steam or something. I just came through with a good conditioner / cleaner, you know what I'm saying, and steam in some cases, but I kind of didn't really have to do too much steaming, because it was really just dust and dirt and stuff like that. So I worked my way from the nose, with my air, got my air, my vacuum, and so far. So what I'm gonna do is, when I'm done, because I done already came through. I need to get that. I'm working my way back, and then I'm gonna come back through with some more conditioner, but I'm gonna glow. Normally with my boats, I glow the plastic, because the glow is actually a protector, you know what I'm saying? And it lasts, you know what I'm saying, as well. So not only is it gonna glow, it's gonna actually protect. So normally when I deal with boats, I do that around all the plastic trim on all my boats. So when they boating, you feel me, the water splashing, it's just gonna run off, you know what I'm saying, and do what it do. So I work my way from the nose, and just work my way back. I just need to make sure I'm getting every little crook and cranny, you know what I mean, and just keep grinding it out. Like I said, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm on my journey, man. You know what I'm saying? Where the red dirt is, you dig? You know what time it is, where the tractors be, you know what I'm saying? So I'ma just keep working my way back. But normally when you're dealing with boats, people ain't never detailed a boat, flip up all the cushions. every single cushion, you know, because when you're doing full details on boats, you want to get the seams, the cracks, all of that. I flip them up, see, because you want to get under there. You want to get all that on all boats, you know, flip it up, you know, get the bottom of the seats, vacuum what you can, like vacuum what you can see in the inside, you know what I'm saying? Get all cubby holes, cup holders, and just work your way back. Like I said, start from the nose and work your way back. So I'm about to keep at it, you know what I'm saying? And then when I get a little more closer, because I'm almost there, but when I get a little more closer, I'll be back. Yo, so I'm all wrapped up, got everything done, got everything dialed in, glowed up. It turned out amazing. Everything looked good, man. You know what I'm saying? Um, you know, I glowed the plastic. Everything looked good, man. You know, journeyman. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at the protection, man. Look at that. Look at the silver, man. Everything popping. You know what I'm saying? Had that plastic popping. Carpet look beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I love doing boats, man. Especially on the journey, man. You know, I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's so quiet out here, man. Ain't nothing like it. You know, get away from the city. You know what I'm saying? If you want to learn how to get to that journey, man, you know, and don't be scared to travel in your city, man. Go get that, you know, go get that money, man. You know what I'm saying? Go experience. Go, you know, experience more in the detailing world. You know what I'm saying? Keep putting yourself in situations, you know what I'm saying? Keep putting yourself in situations, you know what I'm saying? And keep learning, you know what I'm saying? And don't be scared to travel outside of your area like we always talk about. You know, like I'm like 3 hours out, you know what I'm saying? That's nothing. I mean, I do this though, you feel me? Just make it make sense for you, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're picking up a good backing, you know what I'm saying? But if you build them relationships, you know, with the surrounding areas as well, you know, it's a beautiful thing, man, just to be able to slide Gang University. Y'all know how we rocking. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. Y'all stay tapped in. This is June Jones, and I'm out.